Hi guys, Dean Wenzel here with Wenzel Paintings, and I want to show you today the color wheel and how to mix some colors. You know, there's three primary colors and they're right here on the wheel. The three ones are red, yellow, and blue. And if you mix these primary colors together, you end up with something different. And so how to use a color wheel on your primary colors, you simply take this and you can look at the red here, and if I spin that red, yellow, blue, if I spin that red around to match up with the outer rim of this, so I've got yellow and red, well, that's going to make orange. If I spin this thing around and I line that red up with the outer edge of blue, blue and red, they're going to make purple. And same thing, if I spin this around and I take that red and I bring it up to red, well, guess what? That's going to make red, isn't it? So the way this works is I have an inner wheel and an outer wheel, and I slide it around. If I want to know what blue and yellow make, I'm just going to take that blue, spin it around to yellow, and it's going to reveal that that turns green. Okay, so those are really simply the three primary colors, mixing those two together. If I mix more red with yellow, I get a deeper orange. If I mix more blue with red, I get a deeper purple. And so color wheels, they're very common. You can get them on the internet. You can print them out yourself. Very, very simple stuff. But that's a basic lesson in primary colors. Hey, thanks for watching. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and add your comments. Let me know what you think, okay? Thanks, and let's keep this going.